Hello guys, my name is Julio and I want you to speak Spanish like a pro. C is se. Letter C can be a little bit tricky. It can have different pronunciations. When followed by A, O, or U, it sounds like k, k, like ka, ko, ku. For example, casa, cosa, cuando. However, when followed by E and E, when followed by E and I, it sounds like an S. For example, cenar, cien, Cecilia. People in Spain pronounce this, they don't pronounce it like an S, but they pronounce it more like a th, th, th. Cenar, cien, Cecilia. CH, we saw that the H is mute, but when combined with CH, it sounds like ch, coche, chica, charla.